Mmm. Yummy, delicious cream cheese frosting. That raspberry, it's another level. Homemade, fresh. You're making it your own. Today I'm going to be making lemon cake with fresh raspberry homemade filling. I'm going to be making a cream cheese lemon frosting. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and follow. We're going to need the zest of 6 medium to large size lemons, 6 cups of all-purpose flour that I've sifted. I have 2 tablespoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1.5 teaspoons of salt. So then what we're going to do is just mix these together. 3 cups of granulated sugar and the zest of 6 lemons. This is really important to do. I want you to, if you've ever seen any of my date cookies, I want you to follow the same way. We're going to infuse the juices from the lemon zest and the oils from the lemon zest in the sugar. This is going to bring up the lemon flavor even stronger in the cake. We're going to do this for about 3 minutes. What I have here is our sugar, lemon zest mixture. I also have 1.5 cups of softened butter and half a cup of oil. We want to mix it like this for about 4 minutes. I want to taste how the lemon flavor is. I like that lemon zest in there. It's really good. Next, we're going to be adding 6 eggs, one at a time at room temperature. There we go. We'll start one. We're going to mix it just like we do with the cheesecake for about 30 seconds. And then we'll add the next eggs. Adding to our wet ingredients, our 2 teaspoons of yummy homemade vanilla extract. What I have here is 2 cups of buttermilk, and I'm going to add to it 3/4 cups of fresh lemon juice. Then we mix them together. And so let's add these in 3 batches. If you don't have a stand mixer, you can use the hand mixer, so don't worry. There we go. Let's start on slow. I preheated my oven at 350 degrees. We're going to bake them for about between 30 and 35 minutes. You just have to check them all depending on your oven. I have 2 9-inch pans here already greased. We have a parchment paper in there, and the parchment paper is greased. And I'll be splitting it into, we'll fill it a little bit more than halfway because we don't want it to overflow when it rises. Let's pound them here a little bit. Link of making this delicious filling is in the description. We are ready. I'm going to let it settle down a little bit here. Subscribe, like, share, and follow. Yummy, delicious. Mmm. 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 This is good. Until next time. Bye bye.